Okay, so finally got some time, and let's see if we can get the oil up the sky. Anyway, so good that I opened it up. It's only have a few drops of oil, my goodness. So let's see. I'm gonna let it drip a little bit more. That doesn't look good actually. It's very dirty, as you know, kind of greenish color. So this has been dripping for about 10 minutes now. Nothing more coming out actually, only a couple drop. There's only this slimy thing there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill the oil and see what's gonna happening, and maybe wash out some of the old junk that they have inside. I went to the local Walmart to see if they have a 90 weight oil, but they don't. So this is the next best thing, and definitely better than what they have inside anyway. So I'm just gonna fill it and see what happens. Okay, so feel like I didn't take that many oil in it, but I'm glad I do it actually, because obviously the oil inside is nasty, real nasty. So I have some pre-mixed two-stroke fuel. I mixed it based on the factory recommendation. I think it's 24:1. I don't know how to come with that number, but it's just a little bit, not too much. Okay, let's give it a yank and see if we can get anything out of this. Nothing, huh? So it's kind of dirty inside, definitely, right? That's kind of expected. Maybe this spark plug is weak. Probably have to get a new one. But let's give a couple more try before we give up. Hey, let's give it a try. All right, finally got to run a few times. That's good. That's very good. And I think it definitely needs new spark plug, and that spark plug is just weak. And well, let's keep moving on, right? So well, we're able to get the motor to turn over for a few times with some fuel and for the spark plug here. So that's good. Now this ping issue is interesting. I need to really just do some research on it. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I need to do some research on the carburetor, and we need to take it out to clean it, or may need to rebuild it if needed. So please leave me some comment. Please hit like and subscribe. that will help support me, and I'll definitely put out more video for you guys. Thank you.